Alright, so yes, I'm leaning more to bullish side. As you can see, we are near the all-time highs. I'm not sure my mic is glitching a little bit, but yeah. Anyway, so like I said, we are near all-time highs. I'm very bullish, and I'm leaning more towards the bullish side. But the problem is that we have these, as you can see, this high over here and this low over here. So I'm not gonna take any trades in middle of this range because it just doesn't make sense. This is news lows and news highs, so we are not gonna take any trades in the middle of that range. So we are gonna wait either to sweep to the upside or downside before we take any trades. But yeah, we have the sweep right now, but the thing is, it's still not 9:30. Breaking in between, bro. What do you mean breaking in between? I can see, I think my PC is broken. Yeah, definitely your PC is broken because everything is working right now. But yeah, guys, to be honest, right now today's boss is, look, if only this happened, bro, like if only this happened in the session, I would be so happy because look at this. We have session highs, as you can see. Look at this. London low over here swept, Asia low here swept, this low over here swept. Not only that we swept, but we are also delivering from optimal trade entry, as you can see over here. Buzz is bullish overall. Beautiful sweep, beautiful manipulation. Like literally, this was picture perfect. But the only problem that we had is that unfortunately that was caused by the news, and that there was nothing that we can do about it. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. I don't know what to say, but right now we need to wait. Market is breaking this high over here, 9:30 open. So if you have, guys, any questions for me, feel free to ask me, because right now we are just waiting for the setup to present itself. Maybe if this fair value gap over here, this is like a very advanced play, but like if this gets inversed over here, maybe you can enter with a little bit of like small position targeting the all-time highs. I will see, guys, but I just need to recognize the momentum first. So that's gonna be the first thing that I need to do right now. Can see, yeah, already read it. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be so close to sweep previous day in New York high as well. Yeah, it's so close to sweep that high, and I think that ES is already at all-time highs over here, if I'm not sure. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I just want to show you my swing trading strategy that today made me around $1,000. I didn't risk full position because I wasn't 100% sure, but look, it's the same thing over and over again. So let's start with the weekly chart. It was on crude oil, and as you can see, if we drag Fibonacci, look at this, high to the low, and we have again optimal trade entry, plus we have delivery from premium of the range, plus we have this fair value gap that we are perfectly respecting. So on the weekly chart we are leaning towards bearish. On the daily chart, look at this, on the bearish chart we have something else. We have also, look at this, delivery from the premium of the range, and then if we again Fibonacci, if we drag over here, again delivery from the premium of the range, plus on the daily we have also this kind of new day opening gap delivery that was perfectly respected. On the 4 hour, sorry, on the 4 hour, let's continue. We have sweep here, we have sweep here, and we have sweep here of this high here. And if we look at this, our entry was immediately, of course, inversion of the fair value gap immediately after the sweep. Entered the market here, short position, stop loss above the last candle, and I was targeting here to risk to reward. And if we play the price, you can see how that beautifully played out towards the TP. It's always the same thing. We are just adding those confluences. So we are scaling from higher time frame to lower. We are adding deliveries, sweeps, and we are basically reading the price action. Like this is like a book. Look at this weekly chart over here. I'm reading the price action. What is price action telling me? We are delivering, and we are leaning more towards the bearish. Look at this. This fair value gap got respected, and we swept the liquidity over here. This fair value gap got respected, we swept the liquidity right here. So it's always that we are bearish, guys. It's literally, don't forget to record, bro. Bro, I'm recording. It wasn't because of me. Beautiful. Nico, oh my god, what the fuck is this guy doing over here? we should kick him out. But yeah, guys. Anyway, you see that I'm literally reading the market like a book. So market is telling you the story. Market is respecting bearish fair value gaps and disrespecting the bullish fair value gaps. Market is sweeping buy side liquidity, which means we are targeting the sell side liquidity, and it's always the same thing over and over again. So I don't know what else to say, guys, but it's very, very easy. And when you don't see that, when you don't even see that any setups are presenting, you are just not gonna take a trade, and that's it. Fairly got sweat Beppo on the 50-minute. Which one, Aaron? Which one do you think about? Like, which one over here? And also, guys, on KJBPY over here, we have, okay, we still don't have a closure, so I think we are not gonna take that trade. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the only trade that I took today. A little swing position here on my live account. So yeah, let's see if we can catch some nice scalps today. Fair value gap with ITH. What is ITH, bro? ITH. What's that, bro? I never heard of that. ITH. And guys, like I told you, if this fair value gap gets inverse, this is like very advanced play, but look at this, it's so far away and it's not even that obvious. A lot of liquidity is already swept here, but I just know we are near all-time highs. We beautifully swept this liquidity, and this liquidity. We swept all the session lows, so pretty much we are near the all-time highs, and I think that if this gets inversed, for sure we can look for some longs, sorry. But yeah, is today perfect day? No, it isn't. Should we take a trade? Yes, if we see something A+. Should we take a trade if we don't see something A+? No, not at all, because we already made money. I mean, I already made money on my swing position, so doesn't make sense for me to take something that is not A+. Tell me, guys, honestly, like, it really doesn't make sense. If I already took my profits for the day, if I'm already green, and if I know what I'm looking for, and if I don't see that today on the Nasdaq, I'm just simply not gonna take a trade. And that's why I'm so profitable, and that's why I'm making so much money with just trading, and that's why I'm really good at trading, and that's probably why I'm gonna start hedge fund with those swing positions. And yeah, we are gonna scale this to the moon. Only because I'm patient and I don't take stupid setups, and I just know how to take a loss, guys. I know how to take a loss because I don't care. Even if these guys on crude oil over here, this position, if this loss, bro, I don't care, because we have everything that we need to see from the hard time frame to the lower time frame in order to take this trade. So if this trade lost, I would simply not care. As you can see, we inversed this fair value gap over here, and then we respected this fair value gap over here. As you can see, look at this, respected. So literally, like, you are just reading the price. Market is telling you the whole story in the market. Then the same thing happened in the market also, guys. One interesting thing, market is always doing the same thing over and over again. So sweep of liquidity, respect, draws to the downside or upside, it doesn't matter where's your drawn liquidity. So it's always the same thing, always the same thing, again and again and again. So that was the same trade that I was waiting here, guys, on gold. We are again, look at this, we are at all-time highs. We are just pushing towards the new time highs. Look at this, push. We are just pushing, and look at this, we are just pushing to the all-time highs again. We swept liquidity, we are delivering from fair value gap, and we are also delivering from discount of the range plus optimal trade entry. So I had everything that I needed to see, but I was waiting for my confirmation to enter this trade, which was inversion of the fair value gap, and as you can see, it never happened, which means I didn't enter that trade, and that's it. So let's go here. I'm gonna start with yapping about my, I don't know, guys, if you are even interested in my swing trading strategy, but yeah, that's it pretty much. 5-minute Marlon, yeah, we have this 5-minute over here, so we're gonna see 2 minutes until the closure. Probably we can chase this shit. Yeah, we can chase this probably. I'm gonna see, is there anything on 3, 2? Yeah, this is not bad trade. This is not bad trade. Sweep of liquidity immediately. Yeah. Anyone in? Yeah, guys, we can chase this trade for sure. Let me just open here my another screen. Yeah, for executions. All right, and phone about my broker. So yeah, we can easily chase this. Alright, I'm gonna chase this with lower risk like this. Take profit is gonna be somewhere here for the first TP, and then we are gonna probably target for the final TP this low over here. So let's see how this is gonna play out. That's why I went with lower risk, because it's literally it's like chase of play. Yeah, I bugged a little bit, sorry guys, I was watching this. So yeah, let's see, this is gonna be break even as well over here. So yeah, you can guys easily enter this, not with half size, but will not with full size, but with oh my god bro, with half size. Yeah, let's go. Here is break even. Let me just go break even here. Break even, drag this. Alright, let's go guys. Here we go, break even. We are risk free, and I'm gonna take some profits on the 1-to-1 risk to reward somewhere here, and I'm gonna drag my full TP towards this low over here. So let's go. We are break even, so we are risk free on this trade, so we don't need to worry about anything. This is very advanced play, a little bit advanced. I'm gonna go through what I was. Yeah guys, look, I said that I'm bullish, but as a scalp traders, we are literally like every single minute we have new data. So every single minute, new candle, new candle, new candle, new candle, new candle, new candle. So every single minute we are fed with the new data, and we just need to know how to adapt to it. I said that I'm bullish, and I said that I'm gonna be 100% bullish if I see inversion of this fair value gap, but as you can see, we swapped the liquidity and we are not bullish, at least at this moment over here. So we are gonna probably get stopped out at break even on this high. So alright, I'm still in. Let's see how this is gonna play out right now. We are still in over here. I mean guys, tell me in chat who is in this trade. Let me see who is gonna get some profits if TP1 gets hit. Me. Alright guys, alright, that's good. Here is gonna be TP1 like this. Let me mark this, TP1. And sometimes you are gonna need to chase the trades, because sometimes it is what it is. I don't know what to say guys. When you are chasing a trade, just don't go with full position, go with half position, and that's pretty much it, because that's just how you are doing it. I'm not chasing that trade. I'm not. Why you didn't chase this, Marlon? Like, what was the reason for you to not chase this trade? And guys, don't get me wrong, whoever is gonna, I'm gonna record this, and whoever is gonna watch this later on YouTube if I post, or in my Discord channel, when I say chase a trade, I don't mean chase a trade because I want to chase. I'm not chasing because I feel FOMO. I'm not chasing because I want to get a dopamine hit. I'm chasing because I saw this scenario playing out a million times, and I know what the market is gonna do, and that's what I mean by chasing. If I didn't chase, this trade would hit break-even point without me, and it will be invalid. Of course, chasing trades are a little bit more riskier, but as you are improving as a trader, you can easily take them with lower risk, and that's pretty much it. 23,947. So here we go guys, TP1, let's fucking go. Let's go boys, let's go. Some dubbies in the chat, let's go. Let me just here, oh my god, let me just manage. Alright, so scale something here. Let's go. Let's go. TP1 hit. We are gonna drag this towards the full TP over here. Alright, nice. Let's go. Already secured some profits. I'm not a fan of chasing because I don't have enough experience with chasing, and I'm in drawdown with my account, so I don't want to risk that. Alright, Marlon, that's what I'm telling you guys. If you are not a very experienced trader, you should not chase, because this is a very hard thing to do, and you really need to have a lot of knowledge in order to catch these trades. Oh my god guys, I'm bugging a lot. I didn't stream for a while. I didn't take it because it does not go with my rules. 5 minute didn't close below 5 minute fair. Maybe in future I will to trade like this, but currently I train myself to stick to the rules. Guys, of course, don't feel bad about yourself if you didn't take this trade. This is not this is like, guys, if you didn't take this trade, that's completely fine, because this trade is like one of the hardest trades, I would say. Like, you really need a huge amount of experience in order to take this trade, so don't feel bad about yourself. It's completely fine if you didn't take this trade. It's this trade is very, very hard to catch, so don't worry. This is very, very hard trade. This is really not easy, so just journal it, take a screenshot of everything, and journal like why you didn't chase, why you could chase this in the future, and yeah, type some notes and you're gonna improve over time. That's not even a question, guys. You're gonna probably, after a few months of learning my strategy, my model, you're gonna understand that you can easily chase this. But guys, you need to keep in mind, chasing a trade before the candle closes is very, very, very risky. So I do not recommend this to anybody who is still early in their journey. So don't do that if you are early in your journey, but if you have some experience, feel free to do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you don't know how to spot these kind of plays, and if you don't know how to take them, that's completely fine, guys, because you're gonna understand them over some period of time. I'm very confident meeting the low. Yeah, of course, guys. And one thing also why I took this trade is because look at this, what this is. This is news lows, and usually, like I said, literally from beginning of this video, of this section, sorry, not video, I said like this is 8:30 news. Look at this, low and high. Whenever one side gets swept, we are gonna target the opposite side, and that's pretty much it. So there's no need for complication. It's very, very simple. So yeah, I'm glad for all of you guys who took some profits. Rick, you took this trade. Yeah, you are good, bro. At least something, guys, and make sure to scale something. I'm not saying that I'm scaling because, look, I am not saying that we are not gonna reach this low. I hope we are gonna reach this low, and that's my drawn liquidity if I see inversion and all of these things that I need to see. But still, we are not here to predict. We are here to simply react, and I don't care. I took my profits today on my swing position. I took my profits on this scalp, and I simply do not care. So that's it. So boys, let's see if full TP is gonna hit. This is gonna be like very, very huge day for me. I mean, it's not gonna be very huge day for me because I didn't risk full size on this crude oil position over here that I took, this one, because I'm not trading crude oil for that long period of time, and I'm not that, like, I just don't trust it very much. So I went with lower risk, and also this one was with lower risk because it was a chase play, but everything else is nice. Win. Oh, let's go, Morty. Is this PA or eval accounts? So yeah, guys, I'm really glad that you made some profits because you followed me. So yeah, at least something. Let's go. Beautiful win, beautiful win. If only, like, bro, what I wanted to say, I don't know, bro, I glitched. 1 PA and 2 evils. Let's go, Morty. Let's go. Profits are profits. Green is green. Post in profits if you want. And I'm gonna just take a screenshot and... Oh, yeah, I got stopped out of break even. Alright, TP1 secured. TP1 secured. Let's go. TP1 secured, and that's all it matters. Stop at the break even. Where can you show your PNL, Morty? You can show your PNL if you are trading with Apex. This is, I think, is this copier? Is this a replicanto or what? On Tradeaway. Yeah, you can also show this on Tradeaway. Yeah, right. You have, guys, Aaron, if you want to copy trade, you have Replicanto and Trade Sinker, so make sure to use one of those two. They are the best ones in the game. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, am I actually the goated trader? What do you think? Tell me in the chat, guys. Am I goated, bro? Like, every single day I'm catching those moves, bro. Every single day. And guys, trust me, I'm not gonna force anything anymore because I took my winning position on crude oil. I took my position here, which was also winning trade. Yesterday was a huge winning position. I think it was on gold and on Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm scaling really fast. I'm trying to grow my live account. So yeah, unlike all those fake demo gurus out here on the YouTube, bro. I mean, view settings select. Bro, guys, do you see how many fake gurus are out there on YouTube, bro? Like, there is so much of them, bro. I mean, Like, I'm not making millions with trading. I show you my trades, my PNL, I show that, guys, all the time, because I'm kind of like, I'm moving out from my hometown. I bought my car. I invested a lot of money in my business, and I'm not that confident yet to scale a lot, like to risk $5,000 on my trade. And that's the only reason why I'm not making like 6-figure months with trading. But the thing is, at least I'm transparent, boys. Like, at least I'm transparent. All those fake SDM gurus are showing you something realistic. Like, it's always funny when they post some kind of videos like, this strategy is making $100,000 per day, bro. Like, that's complete bullshit. That's impossible. I mean, that's possible, bro, if you have some kind of hedge fund and if you are trading with millions in the bank, bro. But oh my god. But other than that, I think it's not possible, bro. There is 5 very nice to show, so you always have control on your channel down. You are talking about this. So guys, do you have tell me in the chat, do you have any questions about this trade over here, so I can make a quick recap all for YouTube channel, so I don't need to waste my time later. I can do the trade recap right now. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask me in the chat, so I don't need to record separately trade recap for this over here. Just tell me if you have anything in your mind. Nico trades, guys. This guy over here is actually a goated trader. But of course I'm better than him, bro. I'm better than him. Let me see what is gold doing right here for my swing position. Alright, so still nothing. Looking at, oh, CAD-JPY. This should be nice entry, guys, over here for my swing position. So we can see how swing position is working in action, bro. So stop losses here, targeting this low for the final TP because there's nothing else pretty much to target, and break even on these LR. So let's see, 10 more minutes until the closure. Let's see if this is gonna be third win for today, boys. Let's see if that's gonna be third win, bro. We are expecting 5, so alright, we are gonna just NZD/USD also. Alright, that's pretty much it with my swing positions, nothing else. As you can see, guys, look at this. This section over here is called forex scam, because forex is scam. Like, guys, forex is literally scam. Every single person who is trading forex is huge scam. But yeah, anyway, I backtested these two pairs, CAD-JPY and NZD/USD, and it works like a charm for my swing strategy. If you don't trust me, you can go and backtest it by yourself. And also, guys, like I told you, I'm gonna soon reveal the indicator for my swing strategy, so you can literally have trading on easy mode. I can hear and can see Beppo though, bro. Guys, can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Well, with someone with another, so I'll try. Yes, alright, now. Yes. Alright, so let's see what is NQ doing. Pretty much nothing right now, guys. You know, I'm not gonna take longs anymore here, because maybe we can see this 5-minute inversion, but I'm not gonna take it. No way, bro. Alright, boys. Let's see if this is gonna get close. Guys, I'm gonna enter this CAD-JPY on my swing position account, my live count over here. If this gets inverse, targeting this low, stop loss above this fair value gap, and yeah, I have basically alert, so I'm not gonna even look at this. But if you can, guys, if you have any questions for me about this trade, feel free to ask, because I just can't record trade recap today, bro. I have so much work to do other than that, so yeah. But guys, I can't wait to announce the indicator that I'm still working on. That's what I told you. Like, I'm gonna give it to all of you guys, students, all of you who are in mentorship program. I will charge a lot for that indicator, because it's gonna make like returns about, if you take A+ setup, it's gonna make realistic returns of 2 to 5% per, I would not say month, because 5% per month is not usual, but let's say 2 to 5, let's say like this. In the best conditions, it can easily give you 5% of return if you take every single A plus trade that you see in the charts. So yeah, we're gonna see that. We are gonna see, guys, this 5-minute can work out. This 5-minute can work out. But am I gonna take it? No, I'm not gonna take it. Looking for today before I FOMO into something. Thank you for streaming, bro. Looking forward to the next one. Have a great day, you all. Nice, Morty. Nice, Morty. That's how profitable traders are thinking. You caught your position and you are logging off. You are simply logging off because nothing else is happening on the charts. And congratulations on that, Morty. So that's how you should. That's how profitable traders are thinking, like that, bro. Because you caught your move. You caught your piece of a pie, bro. Now you are going to enjoy your day with the profits, and that's pretty much it, bro. Like, that's it, bro. That's literally it. It's not even that hard. Like, why would I force this trade? I caught 2 winning positions today. I made my money. Why would I chase this trade? Like, not chase. Why would I take this trade? Yes, 5-minute, beautiful inversion, but there is no delivery. What are we gonna target? We are gonna target, like, protected high, bro. We are gonna target the high which took all this liquidity over here. Like, all this liquidity is taken out, plus we are delivering from bearish value gap and you are targeting that. Like, does that make sense? No. Is this gonna work out? Maybe yes, maybe no. But do I care? No, because this is not A plus trade, and as you can see, it can easily fail. It can easily fail, and I'm not gonna take this trade, so I don't even care, bro. Thank you, bro. Close the charts now. Just saying for the conversation. Yeah, great, Morty. The only thing the only reason why I'm still on this stream, even though I caught all the winning positions, is only because I want to teach you guys. Like, I don't have nothing from staring at the charts right now. But yeah, I just want to teach you and give you the best possible knowledge that I have. Like, I genuinely want all of you who are watching my streams to succeed, because it's really not that hard when you have the right guidance, and this industry is fucked up with a lot of those fake gurus, and at least I want to be the one who can provide the real value. So, like I said, guys, this over here can work out. Do I care? No. Am I gonna take this trade? No. Why? Because marginal liquidity was this low. Of course, overall bigger picture is that I want to see these highs getting hit, but am I gonna take a trade towards these highs? No, because we already took. The only reason, like the only possible scenario if I would take this long, is if we took this low over here, like this, and then possible inversion to the upside. But other than that, I really think that there's, like, guys, imagine like this. In order for you to take short position, you first need to see manipulation of the highs, right? We saw manipulation of this high and this high over here, and that's why we decided to take this short. In order for take long, what do we need to see? Manipulation of the lows, but there is no manipulation of the lows. Look at this. This is still sitting over here, so I'm not gonna take the trade. So let's see if this is gonna fail, guys. This 5-minute over here. I think that probably it won't fail because we are so bullish and it can work out, but still very good shade. And next time it's gonna fail, and if you take this 10 times, it's gonna fail like 7 out of those 10 times. So I hope that you got the point, guys. Let's see if this is gonna get closed. Alright, seems like we are not gonna enter this forex scam pair over here. I'm just kidding, guys. Forex is for real scam, but I saw that these two pairs, KJPY and NZDUSD, are working like a charm for my swing strategy, so I'm gonna benefit from it. So yeah, let's see, boys. Let's see what's happening. So yeah, maybe this is gonna get, if you are maybe in this trade, I don't know if you are in, but make sure to go break even here and secure some profits and target this high. I hope, guys, that you are not in this trade. Even though it played out, it's a very bad trade without context. The only context behind this trade is that we are pushing the all-time highs. But that doesn't, like, imagine this. ES and NQ are always going to push towards the all-time highs. They're always going to go to the upside, same as gold. But that doesn't mean that you need to take every single long position that you see on the chart, just because you know that they are gonna be bullish. We know that they are gonna be bullish, but that doesn't mean that we need to take every single long that we see, bro. One thing I have noticed and backtested lately, I use the VIX for extra confluence if VIX drops, NQ pumps, and vice versa. To be honest, Morty, I'm not using VIX because, for me, at least for me, I'm not gonna say too much because I'm not familiar with VIX, but I like to make trading simplified. So I like to simplify everything, and I really don't know how the VIX even works, so I'm not using it. So I hope that makes sense. I'm not saying that it doesn't work, and I'm not saying that, of course, it's just nice to see it in action. Of course, guys, if you have your own model, if you have something extra to add on my strategy, that's completely fine, you can do that. Over the longer period of time, you're gonna become different trader, same as me. Back in the days when I just first started, I was only looking for the main liquidity sweeps, then I would take a trade, only follow the time frames close, only if I see everything A+, but right now I have so much experience that pretty much sometimes I will just take a trade, not even waiting for this to be inversed. I'll just sometimes take a trade just based on the liquidity sweep and market experience. Not trying to confuse anyone. Of course, Maury, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like that I'm not familiar with VIX, so I don't know how to give you any advice about it because I'm not using it. But yeah, guys, before I end this stream, we can maybe go through this trade over here. I can explain one more time why I took this trade, why this was very advanced play. And if you want to hear that, let me know in the chat if you want to hear that or not before we end the stream. Yes, alright. And just, guys, keep in mind that I'm gonna end the stream when I see, guys, when this trade fails, I'm gonna end the stream. So when this trade fails over here, I'm gonna end the stream. If this trade doesn't fail, I'm gonna kill myself, bro, because this needs to fail, bro. Yes, okay, so let me walk you through one more last time why this trade failed over here. So why this trade played out, the traded Thai talk. So we are overall bullish, and I want to see new all-time highs as my drawn liquidity on the hard time frame. But the thing is, with lower time frame, we have this fairly gap over here that was crucial. And if you remember from beginning of the stream, I said that this one is crucial, and as you can see, we didn't inverse this. We came here, gave a beautiful reaction, weak and instantaneous volume momentum to the downside, and I decided, because we are we are really near this low over here, I decided to go and enter here because I knew that at least it's gonna break even trade for me, and also we have E-close here as a good drawn liquidity. And when I know that, and also when I know that this is a news low over here as a very good drawn liquidity, I decided to take my shot with half risk because it was a chase play, and that's pretty much it. On kick. Oh shit, I thought you were on kick. Forget that, hello, we saved London and Asia, so I want to go for it now. Yeah, and guys, the one thing that I forget to mention, you shouldn't blindly target Asia. You shouldn't blindly target the news highs and lows. Let's say this low or this high over here. Just because these are news highs and lows, it doesn't mean that you need to always target them. Why? Because just look at this. Oh my god, bro, I'm bugging so much because I'm talking so much, bro. But look at this. Asia high, Asia low, sorry, was swept. London low was swept. This low was swept. Delivery from this bullish fairly gap. This is very protected low in the market. Even though it is that low, it's very protected. So that's why you always need to make sure to scale at least something on TP1 like this. At least something. Yeah, this data low was protected as fuck. Also receiving 50-minute eternal. It was a little less, but yeah, that's what I'm telling you. And guys, like I told you, I'm gonna enter this stream like when this trade fails over here, because I just knew that it's gonna fail. I know this is gonna fail, bro. Like, I mean, of course I'm kidding, guys. I don't know if it's gonna fail, because if I knew how to predict the market right now, I wouldn't stream and I would just be a billionaire, bro. I would be Elon Musk if I knew where the market is gonna go. But yeah, anyway, I just think that this needs to fail because we took all the buy side liquidity and market always needs to retrace. So when market takes some liquidity on the buy side, we need to retrace and take the sell side. When market takes some sell side, we are gonna hunt some buy side, and that's how the market works. Market will never just go highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, because if market was really moving like this, every single one of us would be Elon Musk, bro. Yesterday's data high could be draw if we invert the 50-minute. Yeah, but guys, I hope this one is gonna fail, because I really think this is a bad play. The only thing why this trade possibly, like, potentially can play out is because I would say, yeah, what I want to say is because we are at all-time highs, near all-time highs, and that's like the only like possible thing why this trade could play out. Other than that, I don't have anything else to say, bro. Guys, you're gonna see my new chain. It's so dope, bro. I bought this new chain. It's crazy. You're gonna see on YouTube when I post this recap and everything. Yesterday data high could withdraw if he inverts the 50-minute. I miss you. Yeah, Zevi, let's go. I miss you too, guys. I miss you, all of you, because I didn't see him for a while, but it is what it is. I was working on some other things in my life. So let's see what the gold is doing. Nothing. Let's see what the Bitcoin is doing. Nothing. Guys, today I wanted to enter this Bitcoin short over here, but I didn't, because I saw this very, very bad closure. As you can see, when wick is bigger than the actual body of the candle, I will never enter the trade. That's really like fucked up. So yeah, as you can see, I didn't enter and it lost. And to be honest, guys, if you want to be a better trader, you don't need to add something more. You don't need to add more strategies. You don't need to add more things. You just need to reduce something that doesn't work. So if you know that this doesn't work, then simply remove it from your trading, and that's it. You don't need to add more. That's not how trading works, because in trading, less is more. So yeah, that was a quick yapping session over here. But oh my god, bro, I'm talking so much, guys. Do you think, guys, that I'm talking too much on this stream? Tell me in the chat. Do you think that I'm talking too much, bro? Like, I'm talking for straight 35 minutes without any pause, bro. Alright, guys, seems like this is gonna work out, but yeah, it is what it is. Alert on CAD-JPY. Let's see. Oh, unfortunately. Alright, guys, again, we didn't have the closure here, so 53 more minutes until the closure. Yeah, oh my god, it's so, bro, if only this closed here, I would enter, and this would probably be my third. Oh my god, now I need to look at this playing out without me, bro. Oh my god. If only these inverse like this, I would just enter like this, targeting these lows, and to be sick play, but oh my days, bro, no. It's gonna go without me. It is what it is, guys, but look, this is live example over here. Am I worried? Of course, like, I feel a little bit of, I wouldn't say FOMO, but like, I knew that market is gonna do that, but I simply didn't get my entrymodel, and it's fucked up, but I already made my profits. I know tomorrow is a new day. I know that tomorrow we are gonna have new entries, new opportunities, so I don't care, bro. I really don't care, to be honest. And seems like this played out, so I will need to kill myself after this stream, because this trade played out. So yeah, boys, but it is what it is. Beppo, do you have any thoughts on taking a setup where ES already took break-even point before even the IFG closed on NQ? Jet to holiday, that's, I can't like, everything depends, bro. Everything depends. There is, in trading, there is no such a thing. If this happens, then this happens. Like, it doesn't work like that. Sometimes you're gonna take that trade, sometimes you're not gonna take a trade. Everything basically depends on your confidence about the drawn liquidity. If you are very, very confident, like, if you are right now, let's say, imagine right now, we have this 5-minute inversion over here, and maybe somebody who is watching the stream right now, who is not trading ICT like me, he's gonna see this as a no-brainer setup. He's gonna see this as a very, 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 very bullish scenario, and that's gonna be like no questions asked bullish setup over here for him, and he would probably place like that trader like full position on this trade. So that's only because he believes in that. I don't know how to explain, but you need to believe in it. It takes some experience to understand it. I can't explain you like exactly that question, if that doesn't make sense for you. Like sometimes I'm gonna take that trade, sometimes I'm not gonna take the trade, sometimes I'm gonna chase a trade. That's the same thing as if you were asking me like, Beppo, are you gonna enter the trade, are you gonna chase the trade or not? Like I need more context behind it, because here I'm gonna chase a trade. I chased this trade today, but maybe next time when I'm not that confident, I'm not gonna chase a trade, and that's pretty much it. Yo, I'm down for the day, $2. Should I revenge trade? $2. How are you down $2, Abby? Yeah, it depends on the case and especially on draw liquidity. Yeah, guys, draw on liquidity is everything in the market. Like I said, if you were if you were 100% confident in this draw liquidity, you could take this trade over here and you would make some money. But I'm not confident, because that's just not how I see the markets, and I'm just not gonna take it. But that doesn't mean that maybe some of you are confident in it and you can take it. So everything depends. I'm up $4, bro. Let's go. Same break even on the short. A nice streak, nice streak, nice streak. But yeah, guys, it's solid 10-10, and yeah, unfortunately, Cat JPY is probably gonna go towards these lows without me. It is what it is. Am I gonna be sad about it? Maybe a little bit, but I already made my money, so I don't care. But it is what it is, guys. There's nothing that I can do right now with it. So yeah, I already made my money, so that's the most important thing. Some people are working every single day 9 to 5 to make that amount of money that I made today. So I'm gonna be grateful for my profits, and yeah, I'm gonna be happy with it. I don't need more. I'm happy with it. So yeah, I'm not greedy. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for this stream. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me before I end this. If you don't have, I'm gonna end the stream here, and I'm gonna probably see you tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this trading session, and I hope that you learned things or two. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna wrap this up here, and I'm gonna probably see you tomorrow at the same exact time, same exact place. And that's it. But that, oh my god, I glitched, guys. I'm glitching a lot because I didn't stream for a while. See you tomorrow. Yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.